Well, you know, Facebook can be a real time suck and kind of a waste of time. But last night, I posted some questions because I was having some issues getting enough slack in my forestay to pull the furler off so that I could replace it, and the bearings. And I got a lot of replies, a lot of help. You know, loosen the backstay, and I had already done that, but loosen it more. Okay, we got some slack here now. You know, and then so I turned this 15 turns loose. Same with the other one. I started with 10, wasn't enough. And let's see. Somebody else mentioned, and this is a good one because I never thought of it, but your topping lift is pulling back on the mast, so the weight of your boom is also pulling back on it. So rigged up a little duct tape and whatever to hold that up. That took off a lot of weight. Rear shrouds are loosened. Side shrouds still tight. Shrouds going forward, they're loose now. I didn't loosen them, so obviously I'm pulling forward on it. And let's see. So right now I got a little bit of slack in here, I think. I don't know. We're going to try to pull the pin by hand, see what happens. But one thing I'm concerned about is the weight of the sleeve on the forestay. And oh yeah, now it's bowed even more. Okay, so we don't want that to slack too far, so I'm gonna have to, I think, pull down on this after I disconnect it. Probably attach something here, and then that gets away of putting the bearing on. But I can get the bearings up on there and then pound them up in place, slide them, whatever you want to call it, after I get this attached again here. Okay, so rigged up the final solution here. Got the spinnaker halyard here, jib halyard here, all cranked down, but I was afraid of the slack and the weight of the sleeve going up. I'm pulling back on the cable, so I added this block and tackle, and when I pull on that, oh yeah baby, it all goes loose. So that's how we're gonna do it. Alright, the pin came out pretty easy. I'm happy. It's a little, it was stuck, I'm thinking, you know, because of corrosion or whatever. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, we can put it right back in when we're done. How about that? Some tension, and so this pin wouldn't go in because of the weight hanging down up here. So I put this block and tackle on here to pull that out. All I had to do is cinch this up a little bit, and sure enough, it pulled it right down. I could slide the pin in and out by hand. Well, the potential chaos is over. Yeah, got the halyards loose, tightened up the shrouds again, and tightened up the backstay, and all's good. Bearings are on. Just got to get the furling back put back together, but woo, we're in business. How about that?